and hello to you that's watching this video. Welcome to the third edition of my DIY Barbie dollhouse. Today I'm going to show you my living room. So this is the living room. I've left the lights on this time so you can see better because it's raining outside, so yeah, it's a bit dark inside here. This is the table I made. The table actually comes from an old like a trophy. It was, well, the trophy was on that side, and this was the stand for the trophy. So I just took it, I think it was an old biking trophy or something like that. And so this was the perfect size and height for a Barbie table. So I just used this for the table. Actually, this is not, yeah. Why am I hiding this underneath this cloth? I must take this cloth off because it's actually a beautiful table. Might just make it a bit darker so it can fit in by the rest, and take off the cloth. Maybe I can make this feet part here gold, or maybe the legs gold. I'm going to take off this cloth. I'm going to change that. I must put it on my list. Yeah, I've got a little list. I always have a list of all the stuff I have to do. Okay, this is now in Afrikaans. But yeah, so I won't forget. I always have, in all the rooms are lists that I still need to do or need to replace, or ideas I've got. So like this table idea must definitely go on. Oh yeah, and of course this lights. I did put it on my list. The light is on my list. And oh yeah, I did a major cleanup because I had way too much stuff for my dollhouse. And well, I see Barbie in everything. Where I go, everything, before I throw it away, I see, so I always say, can't I use this for something for Barbie? Like, for instance, I've found this thing now recently. I think it was for a cell phone, or I can't remember what it was. But it's perfect for something for the Barbie. I just don't know yet where and for what. Maybe a drawer, maybe shelves, maybe a tabletop. I don't know. Yeah, but you see, I see Barbie in everything, so I don't want to throw this away because maybe I can use it somewhere in one of the rooms or something. But yeah, I see Barbie in everything, so I had so much stuff. And I did a major cleanup. I cleaned up everything, and I throw away a lot of stuff. I mean, I've got all those bags full of actually just garbage that I thought would be perfect to use for the Barbie house. But yeah, all those garbage I'm going to throw away. But among all those stuff, then when I went through all my Barbie stuffs, hello, there's my little cutie pie again. Hello, Mama. Hello, Mama. I found this little picture frame. Well, I had actually 4 of them. That is already gold and a little bit smaller than this one here. So I'm definitely going to use this one. I'm going to make my art, put it in this here, and put this up against the wall here because it would fit perfectly. And I can use that one maybe for something else or some other place. But yeah, so I'm definitely going to change this table. Okay, rest, this is, okay, my dining room chairs that I made. This is just balsa wood. I use balsa wood a lot because it's very soft wood, but it's easy to cut. It's like paper. And this is just a of this ice cream cones you get, the cup. I use that for the chair and just put some stuffing inside of it, felt, I think. And yes, there's my dining room chair. This was my first attempt of my dining room chair I used. I can't remember what I used for that. But it was too small. I didn't like it. But I thought, okay, luckily I only just made one for an example first. And then I said, okay, I'm going to keep this because I'm going to put in a little study table there. Just big enough for a laptop and maybe a little holder for pencils and pens and ruler, whatever. And I can even put some books on the shelf here, maybe. Just a little, study corner because I wanted to build a study, but yeah, otherwise in that case my house would have been way too big. So then I thought, okay, just leave the study. But now when I said, okay, there's a little corner there, so that's why I said I'm going to take out these 2 chairs here and put only one, and then replace that with a little study table there in the corner for all the bills and that stuff they have to pay. Okay, so this is the table here again. This is actually a little set that my daughter had since she was a child. She played Barbie with it, and luckily, you won't believe it, all the pieces are still here. I just think this was actually white, but it turned all, I don't know, off age. But yeah, even the little forks and knives and everything, you won't believe, is still here. 4 knives, 4 forks, 4 spoons, 4 plates, 4 glasses. It was actually from a patio set she had when she was a little, well, played with Barbies, and well, she's a 30-year-old woman now. And she said, when I started with the Barbie, I said, but Mom, I still got that patio set. She said, oh, please give it to me. And okay, there's my patio set now into on the dining room table. This is a little centerpiece I made, just because it was empty there. I know there was something missing. I didn't know what yet, so I just use little rocks. Like this is a tiger eye, and just little beads and whatever. Just to make a centerpiece, but I don't think I'm going to use it there. I'm going to still make something out, because this is not, it doesn't fit for me in a, it looks like something for a fish tank. I don't know, but it doesn't fit in the dining room for me. Maybe I must put it on this table. No, it's going to be too high for the TV. So no, I will see. I will change that, well, someday. This is also actually from a piece of cloth that was among all those stuff. With this piece was already on it, so I thought, okay, that could be nice wall art. So I just cut it out to size and put it up against the wall, and there's wall art. And then I put because this was an empty space, I thought of putting a picture there in a corner, and I said, no, I already got my pictures here, so it won't work. So I make this little well, like a showcase cabinet. You can put art or whatever in there. I just sprayed it gold, but I'm going to change some of the stuff here. I'm just going to keep this little lion here. It was actually just, I think, pewter, silver pewter, and I just sprayed it gold. And there, but I must take this off. That doesn't look right. I must take that, cut it off with my husband's side cut. That's still in my hobby room. I just put it on a little piece of balsa wood, and yeah, I must still darken. I think I must make this. I'll just leave it like that, yeah, because the color is the same as this table. Oh, I'm going to remove the tablecloth. But anyway, so yeah, this is a lion there. Sorry, I did get very distracted. So this is the pelmet I made, also from the same Chinese, that hand fan, that wooden hand fan. Sorry, I said Chinese. I just bought it. Well, it's made in China. I just put a little gold paper at the back side, and there's my pelmet. And then, of course, this little cupboard I made out of balsa wood and ice cream sticks, the wide one, big one. Oh, and this on here is actually those tattoos you put on your skin with water, that just make it wet with water. That tattoos, not real tattoos, but and I just put it on your eyes. So maybe I must see if it works, and wow, voila, it worked. And there's now everywhere on this cupboard here is that little, I use that tattoos for decoration. This is a little porcelain tea set, was mine when I was a child, that I still had, because at one time my age, I can't remember, many moons ago, I was very fond of porcelain dolls, so I was collecting porcelain dolls. I'm so over that now, but yeah, that was many moons ago. So yeah, I kept this little tea set, and it's a little bit big. It's not to scale for the Barbie, but well, for decoration purposes, I see it's a bit, I can say it's a bit too big for Barbie. But for decoration purposes, it's fine. Just that's all what this is about. It's just like a mantelpiece or side cupboard, or for decoration purposes, not really for use. But the little doors can open, and you can put stuff inside there if you want. No dining set or something, but I'm going to make more dining sets than that. I want to make my own. And then this is a little breakfast nook here with my little bar chairs I made with the same cups and then the dining room chairs here. I'm just going to put something underneath the feet, like my bigger beads or something, just, or paper rolls, or it's just painted black or whatever, because it's not so steady, so I want it more steady. It's going to fall over. So there's a little breastwork work. This is a real piece of, it's plywood. Actually, it's from my son-in-law. He works at the motorcycle shop. We assemble motorcycles, BMW. So they get the motorcycles in this crates that's the wooden pallets in it, and on the wooden pallets is this plywood as well. So he breaks the pieces off and bring it to me. And of course, the boxes. The new motorcycles came in very thick boxes, and that is what my house is made of those boxes, thanks to my son-in-law. This with those thick boxes, I use that to make the house, the walls and the floor and everything, the furniture. And then just to knead it off, because as you can see, yeah, it's still, but I'm going to change everything here. The whole roof, the ceiling is going to change, because the light is not in the right place. This is actually real ceiling paper that I had for one of the rooms in my house. And there was still lots of it left over. I still got a whole roll, I think, left over. And so it will be enough, because this hole is in the wrong places. I think I'm going to use something more steadier, because this is not, you see, it's already wobbly. I must do something here. But that's how thick the boxes are that I get from my son-in-law. And then just to neaten this off, like on the side, I use some of this tubing. They put electric wire, put it against a wall or wherever, and I put electric wire in it, and I snapped it closed. So I use the one piece, this side you can see it's deep, so that I just slide it in. It fits perfectly, so I just slide it in here to neaten the front of the house, wherever, to knead it off. That's why I use. So all this, I see Barbie and everything. So yeah, this is, and this is a little button I'm going to use to make a clock. I just saw the button looked like wood, so I'd say, oh, that would be perfect. So I'm going to make it like a little clock, and I'm going to put it up here in the middle. But I'm going to put something either on both sides there, because like maybe I'm going to make like a porcelain plate, or no, that's too old-fashioned. Although it will fit in with this tea set, yeah. But yeah, because, oh well, OCD, I can't just put this in the middle. There must be three. Almost everything must be in threes, odd numbers. I don't know why, but yeah, that's me. Like I said, I'm doing this for me, to be like therapy for me. That's why I'm making this video. So yeah, you will learn some more about me along the journey. But this is my dining room area. Next, I will show you my kitchen area on the next video. When it rains, look for rainbows, and when it's dark, look for the stars. Until next time, bye.